fresh breath treatment and ear cleaning.
Before I get her out of the tub, there's a couple things I'm going to do, just in case I have to rinse her again. So we are going to do the fresh breath. This is my favorite brand. It's from Clean. As you see, it says no brushing, so even if they don't get teeth brushing, at least it'll freshen their breath a little bit. And most dogs don't seem to mind it. You squeeze a little bit on the side, and most dogs do that. And then you can also clean your ears at this point if you want. Just take the big cotton balls and just rip them in half when it's smaller dogs. And it doesn't matter which ear cleaner you have. I do the one that's safe for dogs and cats because I have 2 cats as well. Just a little bit on there. Just pull up the ear. Make sure the ear canal is exposed and just a little tiny bit of pressure in there. Just a tiny bit, not enough to actually dig in there. You don't want to hurt their ears. You get this one too? You got clean ears, girl. I just see hair in there, that's it. So yeah, there's nothing on there, but usually there's stuff on there if they're dirty. And mom's not here, so I'm not gonna pluck her ears, but that usually means that her ears could be plucked, but some vets say no and some vets say yes, so I'm not doing it until mom says.
Follow and or subscribe for more grooming tips.